What's up, everybody? It's your boy Otin here. Welcome back to yet another video. It's so great to see all of the smiling faces right now, and I'm starting to love the light that's forming on my glasses right now. It fills me with joy, pure joy. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to fix blurry photos. You went out taking pictures and you came back home reviewing the pictures and you could tell that no, my pictures are blurry, and you in post you try to increase the sharpening of it but still doesn't work. I've got a solution for you. I'm going to teach you guys how to fix the blurry photos using this incredible app known as REMINI. REMINI mobile app. This mobile app has a free version and a premium version also, but the free version allows you to edit just 5 pictures within a day, so it will be best for you if you purchase the premium version. Okay, so I'm going to open the app right now on my phone. Let me tell you this. So first you have to tap on enhance, and then you go through your camera roll, your pictures, whatever. Just choose the picture you want to, the blurry picture you want to fix. So I'll go to my Lightroom where some of my photos are, and I'll take this photo here. Okay, so this photo was from a photo shoot, I think last 2 weeks ago, Saturday, in Tesano Estate, Charleston Hotel thereabout, which I took. I took really good images, and you can check my Instagram, which I'll link in the description below, and my Instagram @editing_, to check out some of the pictures we took during that shoot. Okay, so I'm just going to tap on this stroke, this correct stick, whatever red button there is, you will see. So this is just the premium options which comes on the screen, and you can either choose to purchase it or not. Okay, so it's done. You can see the slider, the before and the after. Yeah, the before and the after slider. And you can also choose the you can also tap on this little face icon beneath the screen here to see how the photo has fixed the face of your subject. And if you're okay with that, you can right away just tap here and you're good to go. And or if you're not also okay with it, you can choose the enhanced tool. You can also move to the enhanced tool and also perform that go through that same process again, and it will also fix your photo. It will make it more sharper and more green. So it's up to you on what you want. So I think this is okay for me, and I'm just going to save it right away. And done. Easy as ABC. Done. This is just simple. How to fix blurry photos. Okay, so this is the before photo and this is the after photo. See the difference between them? Like it has a really vast difference between them. So alright, this brings us to the end of today's video. Please consider liking and subscribing. This tutorial was very easy as ABC. So this is just a quick and easy way to fix blurry photos using this REMINI app. And okay, so have a nice day, and I'll catch you guys in the next time. Peace out. What's up? And it says still processing your blah blah blah. It's even done. Found on it. So I take your time and wait for it to finish loading. If not, you're going to get a crappy image. Come on already.